Welcome to the latest edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Health Canada approved Thyconvi, a levothyroxine oral solution from Bioscience for the management of hypothyroidism and TSH suppression. The product contains 20 micrograms per milliliter and is supplied in two 75 milliliter bottles without refrigeration requirements. The approval introduces a new treatment option that could influence access, competition, and formulary decisions in Canada. Novo Nordisk announced that Sogroya, its once-weekly somapacitan therapy for growth hormone deficiency, received national health insurance reimbursement in Korea. The reimbursement applies to both pediatric and adult patients and may support broader diagnosis, treatment initiation, and long-term follow-up. Alembic Pharmaceuticals received final U.S. FDA approval for levothyroxine sodium tablets across multiple strengths. The product is therapeutically equivalent to Synthroid and adds another option to the thyroid replacement market, potentially affecting pricing and prescribing patterns. Bayer reported that the FDA accepted its supplemental new drug application for Kerendia, or finerenone, in adults with type 1 diabetes and chronic kidney disease, and granted priority review. The application is supported by data from the FINE-1 study and could expand treatment options for a population with significant unmet needs. Corcept announced plans to resubmit its new drug application for relacorilant in Cushing's syndrome after completing additional analyses requested by the FDA. The company stated that the resubmission is expected in the coming weeks as it continues efforts to bring the cortisol modulator to patients. Researchers are exploring the use of artificial intelligence to analyze routine chest X-rays for signs of osteoporosis and fracture risk. If validated, this approach could broaden screening beyond traditional high-risk groups and help identify patients earlier in the disease process. The FDA approved Tandem Diabetes Care's Control-IQ Plus technology for use during pregnancy in people with type 1 diabetes. The hybrid closed-loop automated insulin delivery system is the first cleared in the United States for this indication and may simplify diabetes management during pregnancy. New results from the SURPASS early study showed that Eli Lilly's Mounjaro, or tirzepatide, delivered greater improvements in A1C, body weight, and waist circumference over 2 years compared with control treatments in adults with early type 2 diabetes who were not adequately controlled on metformin, diet, and exercise. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.